There is no feeling in the world like FPV. That terrifying, breathtaking rush when you're truly inside the machine, banking around obstacles, diving thousands of feet, and capturing footage that defies physics. But for most of us, that feeling comes with an enormous barrier. The learning curve, the cost of crashing, the complexity of custom builds. DJI's Avata line was created to break down that wall, but even the Avata 2 had its compromises. Its flight time left us wanting more. Its sensor was good, but not cinematic. Today, the compromises are gone. DJI has done more than just refine the product. They have perfected the experience. They have built a machine that is terrifyingly capable, effortlessly safe, and carries a true cinematic eye. This is the DJI Avata 3, the ultimate fusion of accessibility and professional-grade adrenaline. If you have ever dreamt of strapping into the pilot's seat, of flying without limits, or of capturing the most dynamic footage possible, then stay with me for the next 30 minutes. We're going to unpack every revolutionary feature that makes the Avata 3 the most significant FPV release of the decade. Part 1. The flight time breakthrough, the ultimate freedom. The single biggest complaint in the world of FPV, whether custom or integrated, is flight time. Moments of pure adrenaline are often cut short by the frantic beep of a low battery warning. With the Avata 3, that era is over. DJI has completely re-engineered the motor propeller assembly and the battery chemistry. We're not talking about a 5-minute increase. We are looking at a real-world, aggressive flight time of 35 minutes. 35 minutes. That is triple the flight time of some custom FPV rigs. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a fundamental change to the workflow. Imagine capturing a full, continuous run down a mountain biking trail without landing. Imagine shooting 3 complex, cinematic dives on a single battery. This extended endurance removes the stress, reduces the required battery count in your bag, and crucially, gives you the time to practice those tricky maneuvers without the constant anxiety of a countdown timer. The Avata 3 delivers the gift of time and the ultimate feeling of flight freedom. Part 2. The Cinematic Eye Imaging System Revolution. The Avata 3 is first and foremost a cinematic tool, and the camera system has been upgraded to match the ambition of its pilots. DJI has incorporated a new, larger sensor, a 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, custom-built for the Sinuhook form factor. A 1-inch sensor means 2 things: incredible low-light performance and stunning dynamic range. For the first time in a compact FPV drone, you can shoot golden hour or blue hour footage that doesn't dissolve into noise. The image is clean, rich, and retains detail in both the brightest skies and the darkest tunnels. Video resolution is boosted to 5.4K at 60 frames per second, or a super smooth 4K at 120 frames per second for pristine, high-resolution slow motion. But the true power lies in the new color science, D-Log M3. This is a 10-bit color profile designed to maximize the sensor's dynamic range, giving colorists the latitude required to seamlessly match the Avata 3 footage with high-end cinema cameras like the Nikon ZR or the DJI Ronin 4D. The footage isn't just fast, it's terrifyingly smooth and professional. Part 3. The Goggles 4 Total Immersion Redefined. The FPV experience is all about immersion, and the new DJI Goggles 4 are the window into that world. They feature dual 4K micro OLED screens, one for each eye, delivering a viewing experience that is sharper, brighter, and more immersive than anything before it. The latency has been slashed even further, down to an almost imperceptible single-digit millisecond figure, thanks to the new O3 Plus HD transmission system. This means your reaction time is instantaneous, giving you the confidence to fly through tighter gaps and push the drone harder. But the real game changer is comfort and utility. The Goggles 4 feature integrated, adjustable prescription lens holders. No more struggling with bulky inserts. They also boast a wider 160-degree field of view, FOV, making the feeling of flight vast and overwhelming. And the pass-through mode? It's now full color and high resolution, allowing you to switch instantly from the immersive FPV world to reality without removing the headset. A massive safety and convenience feature. Part 4. AI Safety and Autonomous Acro. The Avata line always prioritizes safety, but the Avata 3 pushes the envelope by making safety available even when you crave the maximum thrill. The drone now features omnidirectional vision sensing, not just downward and backward, but also upward and lateral sensing. And here is the technological marvel. In the traditional risky manual M mode, the drone now employs AI-driven ghost obstacle braking. This doesn't take control away, but if the AI detects an imminent, catastrophic collision, it can autonomously apply a split-second directional brake to minimize damage, giving the pilot one last chance to recover. It's a safety net for the brave. Beyond basic flight, DJI has introduced AI-assisted acro modes. For example, the auto dive feature. You set the target coordinates and the speed, and the Avata 3 calculates the perfect, terrifyingly smooth dive curve, executing the maneuver flawlessly while you control the camera pitch. This gives non-expert pilots the ability to capture cinematic shots that previously required months of practice and high risk. This is the democratization of professional FPV maneuvers. Part 5. The Ecosystem and the Investment. The Avata 3 is a complete system built to simplify the professional FPV workflow. The new Fly More combo comes in a hardened, compact case with an integrated 4-port super-fast charging hub that can top off the 3 included batteries in just over an hour. The entire system integrates instantly with the new DJI app on your phone. You can offload footage via high-speed Wi-Fi, apply color grading LUTs, and edit a full FPV sequence using the AI editing tools in minutes. The time from flight to final cut has never been shorter. Is the Avata 3 expensive? Yes. It will likely command a premium price for the Fly More combo. But when you look at the component list, the 1-inch sensor, the 35-minute flight time, the 4K micro OLED goggles, the advanced safety systems, and the integrated professional codec, you realize that attempting to build a custom FPV drone with equivalent features would cost far more and require immense technical skill. The Avata 3 is not just a purchase. It's an investment in reliable, professional-grade aerial filmmaking. Outro. Fast, driving music returns. The DJI Avata 3 is the ultimate FPV machine. It takes the terrifying thrill of manual flight and wraps it in a shell of unparalleled safety and cinematic quality. It's the drone that gives you the confidence to fly closer, dive deeper, and push your creative limits further than you ever thought possible. It's time to stop worrying about crashing and start worrying about what incredible things you're going to film. What is the one feature that makes you want to jump into the cockpit? Is it the 35-minute flight time or the 1-inch cinematic sensor? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to take flight, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll have the first full flight test and review of the Avata 3 coming soon. The DJI Avata 3 is more than a drone. It is the culmination of a decade of FPV dreams. A machine that finally brings professional cinema quality and unbridled, aggressive flight into a single, safe, and reliable package. It is the drone that stops asking you to compromise. It gives you the gift of a full 35-minute flight window to perfect your shot. It gives you the 1-inch sensor and D-Log M3 to ensure that when you nail that spectacular dive, the footage is worthy of the big screen. It wraps all of this capability in the confidence of AI-driven ghost braking, ensuring the only limit on your flight is your own creative nerve. This drone doesn't just enable great filmmaking. It transforms the pilot into a director, an editor, and a stunt coordinator all at once. The Avata 3 is ready to deliver the most dynamic, breathtaking perspectives the world has ever seen. The only thing missing is your finger on the trigger. So, here's my final question to you. If you could only use one breakthrough feature, which one empowers you more? Is it the AI-assisted acro modes that unlock impossible dives? Or is it the 4K micro OLED goggles for that give you perfect immersion? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this deep dive has convinced you that the future of flight is here, then smash that like button and hit subscribe. We are committed to bringing you the absolute best analysis of next-generation tech. Don't miss our full flight review coming soon. Until then, keep your eyes on the sky, because with the Avata 3, the view from the cockpit is about to become legendary.